since we started surveying for the senator, si Kong Erwin Tulfo has been #1 in the list. Pero nung nagkaroon ng parang hearsay na pwedeng tumakbo si Ben Tulfo, initially it was a bit lower, pero ngayon halos same numbers nila. In fact, we rank them as 1 and 2. Ibig sabihin, statistically, tied na sila halos.
Yeah.
Kasi margin of error natin with the survey, 1,200 respondents, 3% lang. Sila, 60 and 57, 3% na yung agwat nila. So, statistically tied na silang dalawa. So, definitely, the brand remains strong at this time. And it's a brand that Filipinos, at least based on the survey, they're indicating that they want to vote for this brand.